As you may have heard by now, River Splash at Legoland Windsor has been shut down. So these are just a few photographs, just for keepsake really, and just so we can remember what it actually looked like. Yeah, so whatever it's going to turn into, I do not know. Looking forward to seeing what it does turn into though. Any ideas, anyone? Don't forget to give all of our Halloween videos a watch. We've got Legoland, Chesington, Thorpe Park and Alton Towers. So that's all from us at New River Tourism Events Official. Until next time, that's all for now. Cheerio!